Today we talk about how can you add holidays on your school planner app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your school planner app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here, click on it. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on timetable and calendar here, or just click here on holidays here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, just click. So here, if you have any holidays, you will find it in this list. If you not have it, just click in this sign to create your new holidays. So you just add here holiday name and here start date and end date. If you want to enable or disable here purchase or purchase here shoulder, or then when you don't click here on save, then it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.